is pinned below. Hello everyone on Facebook, hope you can hear me. This is the first live of the flat sale of the handcrafted pieces, all on first come first basis. You have to place your order on WhatsApp. So आप live देखेंगे, आप एक picture लेंगे और WhatsApp पे आएंगे, उसके details जानेंगे. And if you want to go for it, then you have to instantly take up payment link, bank transfer, scanner. We have them all, even international payment links in USD, CAD, everything, so you can take it. It's working. Okay, I think Facebook is working now. We're going to get started. If you select it, you go on WhatsApp with your picture and place your order there. My team is right here and they're going to give you all the details that are required. Let's start with the pieces. I'm also going to give you the, the before and the after. Oh God, US guys, I know you're late. We're going to make it quick for you and showcase many beautiful pieces to you. Okay. So now this full set, these are discounts. I'm showing you entire suit sets and that's the, that's the whole thing. Now this one, 38,550 before. I'm going to open it. And 29,999. 29,999. That's the price after the discount. So before 38,550, afterwards 29,999. That's the price. Let's go for it. All of these have beautiful, combinations that we are going to be showcasing to you. Now you can see that this is a chinia buta silk kurta. This is the dupatta. You can see how hot the color is. It comes with a plain chinia bottom. Now this dupatta, this is a katan silk dupatta. So that's your katan silk dupatta. This is your kurta. The prices are all for the sets. They come with a plain bottom. Kuch mein aap bottom chhod sakte hain. That's an option. That's the only option. You can take the bottom. But this comes with a plain chinia bottom. And yes, we have more colors in it, which is what I'm going to be showing you. So 38,550 before and afterwards 29,999. So that's the price of each one of these. We are very happy to give you a picture and a video of the piece that you're going to go for it. Now let's show you the second color that is there in this. This is a katan silk dupatta. You can see the gold zari right here. There is this whole entirely. You can see this beautiful color. This is a hot pink color. There is a pearl work on it. It comes with a plain silk bottom. That's your full complete look that you're going to go for, and I am giving you the prices. So many of you ask percentage mein kya, you can do the maths. It is massive. Needless to say, it's massive. The kurtas are 2.5 and the bottoms are also 2.5. And yes, if you want additional kurta, then jo bhi iska hai, suppose if you want half meter more, then 3250 into 0.5, that's your mass. You can go for it. Now look at that. That's your full look. It's a beautiful shade of mint green. It's a cloudy day here in. So this is 2.5. The bottom is 2.5. The dupatta is a full length 2.5 meter dupatta. You can know more details on each one of them. The width is 42, 44. So it's a cloudy day here in Mumbai. And you know what cloudy day means? Cloudy day agar hai to under light becomes even better. So that's a really good thing. Now I have more colors in this. I will come to it. Whatever you tell us is final. Make sure that you have kind of, ask any details that you want to know before it. Now this piece I'm going to come for. The before price is 27,425 and the after price is 21,999. 21,999. It comes with a plain bottom. So that's the great thing. Full sets hai for you for this season to go at. Now look at that. It is completely finished. This fabric is georgette. This is an organza, pure organza dupatta. Look at the hand embellishment. It's all done. This is ready. One beautiful look for you. This is the organza dupatta. Really soft, really flowy. All things perfect in one. Now I'm going to show you iske. Acha. Remember this, and that's the most important thing, that each one of these are unique pieces. अगर आप मुझे बोलेंगे कि मुझे एक और बना दे, तो that will not be possible. Now another thing I want to talk about, lot of times what happens, we show you something, you say it's final, and then you, of course होता है कई बार कि वो chat में कोई और बात शुरू हो जाती है. My thing is that at that point of time, if somebody from the other person on the team has sold it, because we have a different portion where we keep putting out sold out pieces, sold out only when the payment has come. Therefore it's important जो final है उसका आप payment close करें, and then you can talk about the next ones. Now this one, this particular set that I have, this is 35,925 before, and after is 27,999. And again it comes with a plain bottom. Now let me tell you, it comes with a plain silk bottom, and it's a pure bottom that comes with it. So that's something really important. Look at that. And you know, the whole mood is that, you know, I've been just getting the only queries probably that हमारे घर में शादी है, हमें कुछ पहनना है. What is it that we can wear? There is never going to be a better time to get your shopping, wedding, festival look. And look at that, it's a great mix. So haldi hai, pre-wedding events hai, the main events. I'm also going to come to the main events. And you know, you will get something for all of these pieces. Now look at this. This is the next one. Acha, so how are we going to be going about it? We're going to be live till 10:45. Then we're going to take a 15 minutes break. And then we'll come again live. So that's the whole agenda. Now this one, I'm going to show this one to you. This is with a plain bottom. And there you go. This is a beautiful handwork piece. There you go. Sabka before, after prices, they're all written on it. Now I'm going to tell you this. This is 47,925 before. Afterwards, 37,999. Look at that. What a perfect combination. 37,999. It comes with a plain chinia silk bottom. If you want to skip the bottom, then it's 4,000 less. So that's the whole match. Okay. And it's really going to be one big party. You're going to be seeing some amazing pieces. The next one that you're seeing is something very, very special. Sachi Zari pieces with handwork. Those are 3 pieces that we have in Kota Sachi Zari. And I'm going to show you the pieces now. Let's go. So here it is. Now this is your set as you can see it. Now this is a beautiful piece. There is, I mean, it's definitely everything going for it. You can see the whole look right here. This is a Sachi Zari Kota. That's the base fabric. You can see the most intricate handwork right there. You can see the tassels are done. This is one complete look. The backing, the finishing, and of course, that's what I said. We will also get you wedding ready. Yes, the videos will be saved the moment they are over. Okay, now this one, as I said, it's going to be a whole range, but look at the prices and hear it out, you know, to see ki kya hai. This one before is 82,425 for a full piece set. This is a real Zari, Sachi Zari dupatta with handwork. And it comes with a plain silk bottom, and the price is 63,999 for the 3 pieces. The plain silk bottom, the kurta, the dupatta. Ab bataye, you know, isn't it wedding perfect? That main occasion, anytime you've been thinking, yeah, mujhe, I want that one special dress. We have it all here. So that was the option 1 for you. इसी के मेरे पास 3 option है. मैं आपको वही दिखाने वाली हूँ. And this is the second option that you go. Now this one again. Look at the wonderful combination. I think the red is so striking. It's the most beautiful look that you're going to be seeing. Again, इसका before price है 84,000 and the after is 63,999. You have a Sachi Zari handwork dupatta. You can see it here. You can see the embellishment. You can see it's completely done. And of course, ask us for the picture, the video, the length. You can have it all that you want. Oh, look at that dupatta. I think it's absolutely amazing. Can I get that dupatta back? I will open and show it once. So there is the dupatta. There you see. I think it's really, really pretty. And I'm going to show you the kurta as well. That's the kurta. This is the second option. First option, I realized that I didn't open it and show it to you. And of course, that is why I'm here. I want to open every one of these, and yes, you can get them as sets only. The only thing that you can do is leave the bottom if that's what you want. But look at the gorgeousness of this piece. I think it's absolutely amazing. So those are the 2 pieces, and the last one that I'm coming up is going to be now. And guys, are you ready? Are you seeing it? Are you taking your screenshots to know कि आपको क्या piece चाहिए? You should be knowing that. This is the very last one. And didn't I say that you're going to be seeing the most stunning collection in this day one of the flat sale. Now, the thing about the second day is that kal ki baat to dekhi jayegi, what we have in the morning. I'm going to show you जो भी है आपके लिए, I'm going to show it to you today. See, I'll tell you now, for the lighter dupattas, we are only giving the sets. There's no option of breaking it up. For the dressier dupattas, you can take it, but I'm just telling you the deal that you get when you take it together is so much better that you can do the maths with the team. But I'm going to give you the price. Now, this one, look at this beautiful Georgette. Isme, you will see there is that Meenakari, the yellow and the white, everything. This is 91,625 for the full set. Now you can see why it is gorgeous, absolutely beautiful, and 87,999 when you're going for the discounted piece. Yes, there will be Banarsi pieces as well. We're going to show you some of it. Some Banarsi sets are also going to be there. Here it is. Now look at that. This is Banarsi Georgette hand woven with Kota Sachi Zari, 87,999 with a plain silk bottom. That's your complete full set for you, and I think it's gorgeous. Make sure that you have taken your pictures. Can I do the light blue color? You know, I want to do that light blue color. Piche hoga. So we're going to do the light blue set, and okay, so it's going to be basically lots of mixes. Kisi ne bola, you want to see a Banarsi? I said, why not? Let's show you that. Now this one, it's an absolutely wonderful. This is a Katan silk kurta. So ye aap jo dekh rahe hain, this is the, this is the anchal. This is the bottom part of your kurta. This is a Katan silk, wonderfully beautiful. Look at that. That's your kurta. This is your sleeves. Everything is done, and look at the most intricate Meena work that's been done in embroidery. So ye jo aapka hai, this is going to come down, and now I'm going to show you the wonderful dupatta along with it. The price for this one with a plain silk bottom, this is 3 meters Katan silk जिसपे work हुआ हुआ है for your kurta, and there is this Jangla Jal dupatta along with it. You can see it here. I'm just going to get it up, but the price, okay, here this one, 1,07,925 before. Afterwards, 64,999, and look at the gorgeous look right here. It's a beautiful one. This is a Jangla, Jal, Katan, Meenakari, Kadwa piece, all for you, all together. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the full look right there for you. That's the kurta, plain bottom, and this very incredibly beautiful dupatta to go with it. इसमें पूरा जो हैंडवर्क भी किया हुआ है यही कलर से मैचिंग है, so you can see the whole thing. Yes, we are very happy to give you one picture, one video, so that you can really see it, know the length, the width, whatever question you have, make sure you have it. You can go for it. You can ask us whatever you want to ask us, and yes, this is sold out. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. Now I'm going to tell you what's sold out. Okay, यही तो मजा है that I will show it to you. I will tell you what's sold out. All of it happening right here. Look at this one. This dupatta sold out now. Okay, so you get the drill that while you're seeing it, that's the time you have to place your order, guys. That's the time you have to place your order. Now this one is incredibly beautiful. I'm just figuring out. They're just lovely, lovely pieces that you have to show. Now look at that. That's your kurta. Again, a Katan silk. The sleeves are done. You can see the sleeves here. Isn't this really, really pretty? Pura detailed sleeves. And the before price with the dupatta, with the bottom, 51,600. And after that, as it is 40,999. Let's show you the set. That's your set. Isn't it perfection? Katan silk kurta. Let's show you the detailed work. Okay, I think, I'm just going to come closer, show you all the work that there is to be seen, so that there is nothing. You can also see the price right there, the before and the after. 51,600 for the 3-piece suit before, and 40,999. That's your after, okay? So that's your after price that you're going for. And I'm going to show you the perfect dupatta. And of course, this is a set. You can take it as a set. The whole idea is to go for it together. That's where you can see the wonderful offer, and why it kind of makes so much sense. Look at that. That's your full look for you guys. Go for it as sets. Go very quickly so you have gotten the piece that you like. Now, this is the second one. This is the black color. This is 53,225 before as a full silk set. And later on, okay, let me just show you it to you first. Look at that. That's the wonderful kurta. This is the dupatta. This is all silver work on it. This is 42,499. 42,499. This is, look at that. That's the tissue dupatta. So ये भी ज़रूरी है that I showcase the whole thing to you, right? So this is the tissue dupatta. It's beautiful. That's the black kurta, as you can see it, right? Oh, isn't that amazing? It also comes, of course, with the sleeves work that's there. I wanted to show it to you, but first I want to show you this look. This is your full look that there is. Here it is. I think it's amazing. This tissue, this is a silver tissue one. मैं इसको खोल के आपको जरूर ये भी दिखाती हूँ कि स्लीव्स पे वर्क क्या है. एंड सो मेनी ऑफ यू आई थिंक हैव कम from outside India, wanting to buy these pieces. Many of you asking ki yaar, look at that. That's your piece, right? This is your wonderful full look together. And very exciting things coming up, guys. So stay tuned. Keep taking the pictures and you're going to see one ravishing collection. There you go. That's your next one. This is the full set. This is Munga silk. Now, this is our chikankari Mukesh work dupatta along with it. Give me a second to give you the before and after. It's very important that I give it to you. Okay, got it. 60,125 with a plain bottom before. That's the price for the before. Look at the whole piece right here. Isn't that amazing? The afterwards is 47,999. So that's your price. 47,999. That's your price. You can see the massive saving. Time limited, time bound, but उससे भी ज़्यादा piece limited. जितने हैं मैं आज आपको ज़रूर दिखा दूंगी. आज I had said, my request to you, just keep your morning free. I think by 12:30 we should be done with showcasing all the pieces to you. But अगर आपको कुछ बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, my thing to you definitely is that go for it now rather than waiting for 12:30. But of course, take your time. I mean, I leave it up to you. It depends on how sure you are of the piece that you like. But what a beautiful combination. One perfect look for you. Understated Munga silk kurta. Plain bottom in pure Munga as well, and this Georgette dupatta, or I think it's a plain chinia bottom. Let me see. Yeah, it's a plain chinia bottom, guys. So there you go. That's your full 3-piece look. अब मैं और दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको. What is it? The poster said that the offer is for tomorrow also, right? But yes, कल का जो live होएगा, जो भी बच जाएगा आज से, I will show it to you. हो सकता है somebody cannot catch it today. Then you can see, जो भी मिल जाए, of course, they're incredible pieces. Now, this one. First, let me open it. Then I will give you the pricing. This is 65,925 before. And this is 51,999 afterwards. Now look at this piece, guys. Look at it. Look at the beautiful combination. A Georgette dupatta, the handwork done, and the whole deal is सब कुछ किया हुआ है इनमें. There is nothing which is left that you have to think यार कि मैं क्या करूँ. सब कुछ आपके लिए किया हुआ है. That's the whole thing. All you have to do is get it stitched. Lining भी आपको चाहिए 480 per meter. Get it added. That can also be done. International shipping, 3,000 you have to pay once, and then you can take 1 piece, 2 piece, 5 pieces from the sale as much as you would like. So look at that. I think that's a wonderful, wonderful combination. There you go. And yes, the clock is ticking. We are showcasing to you. I think lagega thoda sa, we have such beautiful pieces that I think we will take probably 1, 2 or 3 lives to come and showcase everything to you. So yeah, I think it will keep going on. So yeah, okay. And this is the next combination. And मैंने बोला था ना, हर unique है, हर piece अलग है, हर piece unique है. The combination, probably हो सकता है कोई एक piece आपने कहीं और देखा. But the way we have made it as a complete set is, that's what you're looking for. This kurta is from a previous collection. I'm just wearing it today because, of course, ye nahi hai mere paas, but it's not a part of the collection. So it's not available. It's sold out long time back, not available. Okay, now let's go for this, guys. This is one very, very beautiful one. And I think so many of you in India, outside India, everyone has messaged, especially Shadi hai ghar mein, my sons or my own, and different scenarios, but basically you're a part of a wedding or it's a wedding at your own home and aapko kuch chahiye. And as I said, see, Banarsis, they look amazing. You see our collection every day. Thodi si uspe handwork ho jaye, so then it is a totally different deal. Now this one, 71,425 before and after price, 56,999. You're seeing one incredible look here. I will open the dupatta. It comes with a plain silk bottom. And you can see this dupatta right here. Look at that. Look at this incredible piece. Isn't this amazing? Look at the detailing, look at the work, everything is done. There is nothing. और सबसे बड़ी बात है that अगर आपको bottom नहीं चाहिए तब तो ये आज ही ship हो जाएगा. The kurta and the dupatta. COD is available, definitely. If you're in India, आप COD आराम से avail कर सकते हैं. There is no problem. All you need to do is pay a token amount. The token has to be paid instantly और आज ही शाम को हम आपको ये pieces भेज सकते हैं. Bottom अगर होगा तो भी हो जाएगा. It will just take us 2 to 3 days and your pieces will be out to you. So whether you are, look at that, look at this gorgeous combination. How amazing, how classy it can be. I think it looks absolutely wonderful. The price that I'm giving you for all sets are 2.5 for kurta and 2.5 plain bottom, silk है mostly सब में, and the dupatta. अगर आपको और फैब्रिक चाहिए, और पहली बात अगर और फैब्रिक अवेलेबल है, से सपोज यू से मुझे 3 मीटर चाहिए ना, इसमें मुझे लग रहा है 3 मीटर, द 0.5 मीटर जो आपको लेना है वो आप एक्स्ट्रा प्राइस पे ले सकते हैं. सो यू कैन डू दैट. Look at that. It's an extremely wonderful, gorgeous combination. So classy, so pretty. Go for it. So I think it's absolutely amazing. Okay, now this one, I love this one. Okay, this is 28,425 before, 22,499 later on. So there you go. And here it is. One nice wearable, all with plain bottoms. Look at that. That's the dupatta. इसकी detailing आप देखें, and this is your full look that you are going for. So that's your complete full look, and the discount price is 22,499. That's the price. ये लाइव है ही इसके लिए कि आप इसको आज देखें और अभी जाने जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है ऑन व्हाट्सएप. मेक श्योर दैट हमारा व्हाट्सएप नंबर हमेशा आपके पास सेव्ड है, दैट आवर पेमेंट लिंक्स या बैंक अकाउंट एडेड है, हमारे स्कैनर्स आपके पास है, सो दैट यू डू नॉट मिस एनी चांस ऑन गेटिंग दीज ब्यूटीफुल पीसेस. On that note, I do hope that you have some time on your hand today. Of course, जैसे जैसे लाइव होते जाएंगे हम वो उनको पोस्ट करते जाएंगे. कल सुबह 9 बजे हम सारे लाइव डिलीट कर देंगे एंड देन जो पीसेस रह जाएंगे वो हम आपको दिखाएंगे. So yeah, that's the idea. I've taken a water break and I hope you guys are having a little more fun than that. One teacup, you're chilling, you're enjoying, having a good one. How to see our scan? Now, सब कुछ, चाहे शॉपिंग हो, चाहे डिटेल्स हो, चाहे पेमेंट के स्कैन्स हो, सब आपको व्हाट्सएप पे मिलेंगे. दोनों ही जगह हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर सेव्ड हैं. एंड इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट इवन ईजियर, then just go on the bio of our page and you will click the WhatsApp link and you will directly reach our account where my team is there. Now this one, this is 34,550 for a 3-piece suit set, and after price is 26,999. What can I say that cannot, enough. मतलब इसकी जो ब्यूटी है ये सामने ही आपके, for you to see everything, the incredible stunning effect that it has. It's all there. कुछ अगर और रह जाएगा तो जरूर. Now look at that. I think that's absolutely wonderful. The discount price 26,999. That's the price of it. You're gonna go for first come first basis. हर piece different है, हर piece unique है, and that's the idea. Now the next one that we are going for is a combination with Georgette. This is 45,425. Now let's show you what it is. This is 45,425. Now I will do it like this so that I can read the chit. Let's go. There you go. That's the combination. The discount price is 35,999. You know the maths. Ask the team the maths. You can have all the details that you would like to go for, and make sure that your favorite ones are already in pictures in your, in your picture wala folders. You have it, because जैसे live finally खत्म होंगे, you should be able to quickly go and pick up your most favorite piece. Look at that. It's a beautiful look. Handwork dupatta hai is pe. देखिए, look at that. Georgette kurta hai. It's everything that you need, Once you have something like this, what is it that you need? Anything else? Nothing, right? इस पे embellishment है. Beautiful Georgette का fabric है for kurta. आप चाहें तो इसमें थोड़ा सा detailing करा सकते हैं, but honestly, I don't think it is needed, Okay. As is. So whatever the pieces you see, you're going to get it exactly like this, So that's all that there is. We can't make another one. Obviously, the whole idea is that we are giving you such great offers on it. So we won't make another one. This is what it is, and this is what you should go for. So in between, I'm going to do these 3 sets. एंड ये एक सेट है जिसमें मैं आपको दुपट्टे भी अलग से बताऊंगी, उनके प्राइजेस. यू कैन गो फॉर द सेट्स बिकॉज यू विल नो व्हाई. द मैथ्स मेक्स so much sense that you go for the full sets. Okay, now this is the whole look. 24,550 before and 18,999 with a plain chinia bottom. That's your full look. So 18,000, what is that? Okay, 18,999 for your full 3-piece look. This dupatta, this is a dupatta that I have. This is the one that I'm going to send you. 18,999. हाँ, of course मेरे पास इसके और भी pieces हैं, तो the motif may keep changing. That's all. That will change. For all the chinias that you see, जिनमें ready है short, but अगर हमारे पास ये piece है, for example, now this is actually enough. There's a lot of fabric in this. So this is going to be 8,999 for your 3-piece set. और सिर्फ दुपट्टा अगर आप लेते हैं, and I'm going to also give you the, this is for 7,499. The before is 10,800, and this dupatta, this beautiful organza dupatta is for 7,499. Of course, free shipping above 10,000 for India. Below that, it's going to be 250, and international shipping आपको एक बार पे करना है, and then you can take. Of course, अगर आप इंडिया में ले रहे हैं तब तो कोई बात ही नहीं है, then you can get it shipped. So that's your. So this is only the set that I have talked to you about, जिसमें आप साथ में भी ले सकते हैं, आप अलग भी ले सकते हैं. So this is the one set, because we have lots of these dupattas. Honestly, that's the reason why we are giving you such deals. Sometimes we make pieces in 10s and 20s and 30s and 40s, and sometimes we make it in 100. So sometimes we have it. Yes, I'm showing you the dupattas and the combination. There you go. This is the second color. This is 18,999. 18,999 for a 3-piece suit set. Look at the beauty of this. Just the dupattas are for what? 7,499. That's the, and of course shipping will be extra. So yes, that's there. I have one more color in it that I'm going to go for. There you go. Here it is. This is also for 18,999, the 3-piece suit set, and plain silk bottom. Plain silk bottom is also a part of it. So I'm just showing you the colors. You saw the peach, and so there is the peach, there is the gray, there is the green. You can buy them as sets as 18,999, or you can go just for the dupatta 7,499. So that's the deal. Here are the options for you. There you go. One very beautiful piece. Just दुपट्टा, सिर्फ दुपट्टे बहुत कम हैं. There are very few of those. But क्योंकि एक ये है, तो I'm showcasing it to you. Now this one before is 22,800. Right now is 18,899. This is a very pretty, very neutral handwork. Look at that. You can see all the details there. The base is premium chanderi cotton. This is all gold work. So basically आपने इसको किसी भी color पे पहन सकते हैं. It'll be amazing. It's not dyeable. Remember, the handwork has been, it's not dyeable. The before is 22,800. The after is 18,899. Now, What would look very classy with it is a premium chanderi, the plain same fabric, 980 per meter. Buy like 10 meters, go for a nice silhouette, and you can wear this. So classy, so amazing it will be. So yeah, that's of course not on discount. I'm just telling you the price of the dupatta. It's finished, it's ready to go out. Probably you have something with you. Okay, so there you go. And somebody saying, do you have any black heavy dupatta? Probably you'll have to wait, guys. You'll have to wait. 2 lives तो पक्के ही हैं अगर it has to extend. So every live that we're doing, like this one, it's 10:32 right now. I'll go on till 10:45. Then we will go for a 15 minutes break. जितने भी pieces देखें आपने, find out everything about that there is. And in the second live, I think we should be able to cover all probably. If needed, we'll go again live after 15 minutes. So that's the whole agenda. But मेरा ये है कि next live में this is sold out. So this dupatta is also sold out. Guys, I think you're so good at this, you know, just seeing it and buying it. That's the full idea. This is sold out. The idea is that you should go for it instantly the moment you see it. Okay, because जब वो rush होएगी, so then there will be that crazy rush. Now this is 29,999 for the full 3-piece set. And look at this Katan silk dupatta, handwork of pearl, 38,550. That's the original price, and it's so beautiful. Look at this color. This is a chinia silk buta kurta. This is your dupatta. You can see it. This is your dupatta. It's absolutely incredible. And 29,999 basically. You know, with a pure silk bottom. This lovely. It's such a nice wine shade. I have more colors in this. I'm going to show it to you one more. And this, I am loving this color. I think mehndi greens, browns, you're seeing so many of these earthy beautiful colors. You know, it's also about, right, like sometimes, you know, I mean, it's about getting inspired and, you know, creating colors and, you know, just looks that I love. I mean, that's the whole deal, right? So this is the other one. Now you can see this, and this is your full look again. 29,999. Okay, so you are getting one full. This is a Katan silk dupatta. This is a chinia silk kurta, plain chinia bottom, like a pure silk handwork buta. सब कुछ है इसमें at 29,999. So that's the whole thing. Wonderful sets at that one. And I'm going to showcase to you this one particular piece, जो इनसे थोड़ा different है. I will come back. I have a color in that probably. And this one, now this one, let's do the maths. 28,625 before. First, let me show it to you. Kya hai? Okay, let's see this. Hope you guys are enjoying this, making the most of it. You know, taking your screenshots. Okay, the slip has come out. We'll put it back. But just give me the price once. So that's your kurta. Okay, that's your kurta. Now, it comes with a plain silk bottom, jo last color ka hoga, is color ka. And this is the dupatta. And look at how perfect it is. And the price in discount, 22,999 with a plain silk chinia bottom. Look at that. It's a shaded ombre. This detailed work of this dupatta. And how pretty it is. Here you go. And that's the whole piece for you. You can see it right here. And it's very pretty. So hope you have done, you know, a screenshot that you are going for it. जैसे जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, वैसे आप ले रहे हैं. Now I'm thinking what to do. I want to do a yellow. Can we do a yellow from that lot? You know, I want to do a beautiful shade of yellow. I don't think we've done it. Yellows are so incredible. Yeah, that one is lovely. Let's do this one. I have one very stunning piece for you. And let's go for it. Here it is. Now, this one, this is, oh wow, okay. 64,425 before discount. I'm going to turn it around so that I can read the price. And with a plain silk bottom, this is 50,999. 50,999. And that's the price that you're going to go for this particular piece. Look at that. It's absolutely wonderful. This is Georgette. There is this, you know, this big bowl. This is from our premium Georgette collection. That's the dupatta along with it. And look at the handwork. Look at the detailing. And it comes with a plain silk bottom. So you can go for it. That's the whole 3-piece set for you, and you can go for a plain silk bottom with it, and you will be done. So okay, and yeah, this is just a dupatta. Okay, this is just a dupatta, a black dupatta, only that. This is 10,800 before. This is 6,499, and you can see it's organza, tassels are done, and here it is, and all of this. This is it. Yeah. So remember, COD में आपको एक token amount जरूर भरना है, and that is a policy for everybody, and that's for also instantly you have to do it, and rest of course. So like such a neutral black dupatta, it would be helpful and great in everything that you do. Wear, and just really nice. One black kurta pehne, इस पे gold पे पहने, किसी भी पहने. So really one nice dupatta. I think only piece 6,499. That's the price of the dupatta. It's the organza, and there you go. Okay, let's do this mehndi green color. Or isme I think I'm going to open the dupatta properly. You can also leave as a request. बताएं अगर if you want to see, because of course the shopping is only via live. So that's the kurta. It's this really nice green color. It's not a mehndi green color. It's a it is a shade of green, like olive green, sure, not so much. It's just a really nice dark leaf green color. And let's show you the dupatta. There you go. That's your full look. The price of this full complete set is 29,999, and it comes with a plain silk bottom. Okay, bandage. Okay, let's do some bandage. एक दो हम कर सकते हैं. We'll do. Look at that. That's the dupatta, guys. I'm just kind of wearing it, showcasing it to you. How amazing it is. We've done one green, so let's do the purple. Okay, guys. एक last piece है before we take a break. And then when we come back again in 15 minutes. So I'll be then back at 11 sharp. Meanwhile, make sure that whatever is final, lete jaye aap usme se your beautiful pieces. Next live I think we'll be able to probably catch up everything that we have to show, and then you have to just shop. Okay, one more bandi dupatta. Here you go. This is, okay, let's go for the price. Let's tell you the price first. 65,925 before. That's the price. One second. I'm also going to do, okay. 65,925. That's the before price of this incredible piece. And afterwards, it's going to be 51,999. So you get, okay, let's open it. Bina khole maza nahi aata. I think, that's also the deal. Look at that dupatta. Isn't that amazing? That's the dupatta. It's bandhani. It's in Georgette. It's got also handwork. And this is your, this. So look at that. That's your full complete look. It comes with a plain silk bottom. And I think it just looks amazing. This is a full set. 51,999. I think that's the price. And one really nice piece in bandhani for you. Full sets. See, the bandhani that we have are very few and far limited. Jo next live mein aayega, which is just in 15 minutes. That's going to be pieces which are the premium ones. I think they're all, just the dupattas are probably a lakh or so. But the deal that you're going to get is for a 3-piece suit set, and they're going to be in the 80K. So next time, I'm unse hi shuru karungi. I have some colors in this, which I would like to honestly show all them to you right away, so that you can make your decision on the one that you like best. And look at that, because these are all this wonderful pieces, which are this 999. Let me just tell you the final price. And yeah, I have a black piece just coming up, 29,999. That's the price. And such cool colors at that, full sets. Take your favorite one in that. The next one is a black. So look at this. This is the black piece that you're seeing. One black kattan silk piece that you're looking at. You really like it. That's the piece that you are going at. Look at that. That's your full piece. The black piece that you have. 29,999. Stunner. Handwork, detail, kattan silk dupatta. It has it all. Now this one is a light blue. We've done a lighter blue when we started, and this is the other one. Such wonderful colors for complete sets, or you know, buy one buy more colors. These are absolutely wonderful. इसमें एक और कलर है मेरे पास. So इसमें और सभी में 2.5 मीटर कुर्ता है. Plain bottoms हैं which are 2.5 also, and if you want, and if it's possible, you can extend the, you know, like you want 3 meter, then जो भी per meter price है fabric का, first it should be possible. If it's possible, it will be 0.5 into the fabric का price. So that's going to be the price. Now there you go. This is a blue that you have. Also very, very incredible. And here it is. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. This is a yellow. And each one of these colors, I tell you, they have unka apna khud ka charm hai. So it's going to be, and yes, dupatte sab mein ek hi hai. So this is all that I have that I'm going to show you, and you can go for it. Like, this is all that I have to show you. So guys, if you like something, then you have to go for it now. This is one wonderful, or iska last color I'm showcasing to you of this collection, which is the 29,999 Katan silk dupattas with handwork, chinia silk buta kurta, and plain chinia bottom. Look at that. There you go. And it's so pretty. What is this shade? Isn't this amazing? This is the first time I've done this shade as well. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's such a beautiful bubblegum pink color, and I think it looks amazing. Hope you've liked it. And that's the last piece of this first live. Okay, so guys, all on first come first basis. Make sure that you've taken your payment links for the piece that you like and made them. Then you can continue to see more. International shipping, you have to only pay once of 3,000, and then you can get 1 or 10 pieces, whatever you like. So, you know, I leave it up to you. We don't have stitching. Remember that. We are very happy to ship it to your boutiques or your tailors in India. India may free shipping above 250. COD is available in India. And if you're going to go without bottoms, they'll be shipped today. If you're going to go with bottoms, then it'll take 2 to 3 days. But yeah, COD is available. No change in your pieces. And that's the end of the first live that we've done. We'll be back again in 15 minutes to showcase the remaining one. I really hope that I'll be able to catch all of my pieces in the second live, and you can take it. Remember, they're all sets. The only thing you can do is leave the bottom, that's all. So less 4,000 if you don't want the bottom, that's all. Otherwise, they're all sets, and you are meant to take them as sets, and they're so beautiful, guys. Do not miss your chance. I will see you exactly at 11. Be ready for your next lot. And we are just posting this video. See it very quickly and find your favorite ones and keep it, you know, order those on WhatsApp now. Bye.